Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials, Wi-Fi or mobile data and at least 20% battery so the process won't stop. Once done, gather a recovery email or phone to ease account recovery later. It's optional but smart. Now open Settings, scroll to Accounts, tap Add Account, and choose Google. You'll see the Google sign in screen. Press Create Account. This gets you directly into the first actionable step, so keep the phone unlocked and follow the prompts on screen. You'll now fill in personal details, your name, birth date, and gender. These help personalize services and verify age-appropriate settings. Next, choose a username. Try variations if the name is taken and check availability right away. Create a strong password with mixed characters and at least 8 characters so your account stays secure. When prompted, add a recovery phone or email and accept Google's terms. Make sure to read permission prompts. They explain why Google requests access and what it will do. You finish by verifying your account with the SMS or email code sent to your recovery contact. Enter it promptly to complete setup. Once verified, review sync options, contacts, calendar, drive, and enable what you want backed up. Tap Done to finish and then open Play Store to confirm sign-in. If you get stuck on sign-in or verification, clear Google Play Services cache or restart the phone. That often resolves permission hangs. If problems persist, retry with another network or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.